So as you can see, the scaffolding is now down, and then that's all the wood for the scaffolding, and we'll be using that to make scaffolding around the back.
Let's go and make something.
But it's painted. I've only got to paint the windowsills basically. We just don't know what colour we're going to paint these yet. It's got enough paint on it to protect it, and this here is ultra hard wood. It could basically be left as wood and it wouldn't rot. But yeah, that's one wall actually done. And then got to quickly replace this, which is the extension on the conservatory. No, the extension of the house, of the original house. We'll just put some weatherboards up on there. Then the extension for the conservatory. So the next bit we're doing is going to be this bit. This is the bathroom, so we can take these will be all taken out because they're not in use anymore. So we'll be ripping those out and just weatherboarding that whole section. You can see a big crack there, because if we go actually down under it, if you go down under it, you can see it's actually just free hanging, and to actually stop it from moving temporarily, I've put some bolts through it just to hold the weight of it, to stop it from falling. But if it actually fell off, there's nothing in behind there except the water tank, so it's nothing really important. But we'll be weatherboarding all the way down. You can actually see the tank in there, the water tank, 1,000 litres, and then we'll slowly work our way around. I don't know whether we're going to be doing section by section. It's probably easier if we do, and quicker. So we'll do this section, then that section, then that section, and then we have to worry about the hard part. This wall here where we've got the califont and heat pump. And then out the front, gas. It's too hot. 29 degrees inside, or 28.5. Well, it's according to outside it's 26 degrees. I don't believe that. I suppose down on the back deck it would be. So in the bathroom, what I've installed, just a quick going over, is just a backsplash. It's just a piece of acrylic for the time being. It's a temporary long-term fix, so yeah, all it is just a piece of acrylic I've cut to shape, and we've a couple of rails to slot it in, and then on the back just a wooden frame just to give it some rigidity. What I'm going to do is put a beading down here just to hide some gaps because of the tiles. I was thinking about putting it in, cutting it in, that be just as easy putting a beading down, so that's what I'm going to do. But that'll hide that and pretty all that up, and hopefully the next video I'll be making a shelf, a freestanding shelf unit to go there to put bits and pieces on, towels and stuff, maybe towels and toilet paper for the loo, because at the moment the loo paper's up, gets stored up there at the moment, and the towels. So that's what I've been up to. I was going to video it, but then I thought there's nothing really interesting there to video The reason I put the wooden frame around is A, to give it a little bit more rigidity, and B, I like working with wood. So, in the basement is an absolute mess. One of the reasons why I haven't done a video in a while, as you can see there, it's just I've been doing little projects and they've all been building up. I've been collecting hoarding stuff for another steampunk project before I decide on what I'm actually going to use. So we got some really nice brass gauges, some copper 90 degrees, another brass gauge, a brass ram, believe it or not, still works. Not sure what I'm going to use that for. Some more gauges down here, some old counters. There's actually another one over here. Was even found this really old monkey wrench. I polished it all up and it was like cool. But as you can see, my bench is actually just a mess. There's an old drink, empty. What have we got in there? Another brass something that I can, I don't know, put on the end of something to make it look like it's something else. So I've been collecting bits and pieces just for a couple of steampunk projects. I want to make a pistol of some description, maybe a 3-barrel pistol, and then a backpack, which I don't know, like a power pack for the rifle or something. Part of my costume, I don't know. Haven't decided yet, but that's what I've been up to, and that's why I haven't been really made a video in a while, is because I've been just hoarding stuff. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use it, but oh yeah, and the other steampunk project is possibly a clock, which I want this big brass gauge, which I polished up, which came up really nice. Same with that one. And that's really about that. So do stick around. I do hope to have at least get that shelf unit done in the next few weeks. I've got to go and buy some wood for that because I don't think I've got enough to put together. Right, catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.